So it finally happened, your Godox V1s broke. I've been seeing online a lot how often the Godox for the Sony cameras gets a broken hot shoe mount. Well, mine recently broke at a wedding. I wasn't doing anything other than just shooting and it cracked. So I quickly Googled my options and found that you can simply replace the hot shoe mount. Now these cost around $20 on Amazon. You can contact Godox support to try and get a free one, but that process from start to finish took around, I think 35 days. It really wasn't a speedy process. So let's jump right in and show you guys how to replace this hot shoe mount.
All right, so I'm gonna try and make this as quick and as simple as possible. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is gather all your tools. You're gonna need a size 0 Phillips head screwdriver. And I always like to lay a cloth or a microfiber so I can lay my screws on it so they're not rolling around the table. Next, and make sure you don't skip this step, remove your battery. You don't wanna be working on your flash when your battery's still in, so just make sure you remove it. Now there's 4 screws you see here on the hot shoe mount. We're gonna go ahead and take each one of these off and place those screws in a safe place so they don't get lost. And gently pull the hot shoe mount off. It's gonna be attached to the unit's circuit board, and we're gonna wanna remove that connection delicately. Simply squeeze the ribbon between your fingers and gently pull, and this should come out pretty easily. Now it's time to put on your new hot shoe mount. Let's take a look at this ribbon. On one side, you can see metal connectors, and on the other side, it's a smooth surface. Simply have the metal connectors face towards the circuit board like you see here. Now this part can be a little tricky. You're gonna put that connector in that white holder and push it down gently to slide it into place. Next, let's go ahead and screw this in. I like to start with one screw, and after that screw is secured, I'm gonna go ahead and slide it on my camera and give it a test. Once you've confirmed it's working, let's go ahead and put the rest of the parts back together. So I'm gonna take the flash off, screw in the rest of the screws, and just like that, we're done. A brand new hot shoe mount without having to buy a new flash.
So that fix was pretty simple. It works just fine. And realistically, it's not that technically difficult to fix something like that. Well guys, thanks for watching. I hope that this video helped you out. Please consider hitting that like button and subscribe down below. I'm always coming out with more camera related content. Until next time, I'll catch you in the next video.